I'm going to be using the Elements Densify Thickening Gel Liquid. This is a wonderful product to help give volume to the hair. It helps to thicken up each strand. It is best applied to the hair when it is damp. So giving the bottle a good shake, spraying into the root area. You can also spray it through the mids and ends. It has a hold factor of 7 and a shine factor of 2. This creates a beautiful matte textured look to the hair, helping to plump up and give lots of body. I'm combing through to disperse that product evenly to make sure that we are getting even volume from roots to ends. So Densify has helped create a beautiful weightless textured look to the hair and added volume throughout.